Hey everybody, welcome back to the Sjolie YouTube channel. My name is Kelly and today we're going to be breaking down a spray tan into sections, so follow along while we break it down for you. Today's video, we're not going to be spraying in a tanning tent. We have a backdrop today just to show you guys the passes in a more controlled setting with better lighting. Normally we would always be spraying in a tent or have some sort of extraction system set up to catch all the overspray. So when spraying the arms, I like to position myself at the very end of their fingertips, just so I can fully see exactly where I'm going to spray, which is going to be the very top of her arm. So making sure that the nose of my gun is staying on her body, just focusing on one section at a time. So it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna start in this dead space here, pull that trigger. I'm going to follow her shape of her arm, and then I'm going to dry this section really well. Then we're gonna move on to hitting this inside part of the arm. Again, we're never going to spray the armpit directly as that doesn't naturally tan. So we want to make it look really natural and just get a light mist within this area, but also giving good coverage. So when we position the hand to spray the inside of the arm, we're just going to turn their wrist. So it's going to go from a position like this to this. Okay, so now that we have her in the position to get this inside pass, starting over the top of the shoulder, hit that inside edge. When I hit that wrist, let go, pull away, making sure not to spray her palms directly. Then I'm gonna have her flip her wrist back over like this so I can get the backside edge. So I'm gonna position myself on the backside of the client. Brooklyn's gonna look towards the back of the tent. I'm gonna follow the natural contour of her arm around, and that is the 3 passes of spraying the arms.